Your nervous system is responsible for sending messages throughout your body, allowing you to sense, move, and function. But sometimes, our nerves can get damaged by various factors, such as alcohol abuse, diabetes, injury, or infection. This can cause symptoms like numbness, tingling, pain, weakness, and loss of coordination. But don't worry, there's hope. There are some natural ways to heal and protect your nerves from further damage. And one of them is drinking the right fluids. Yes, you heard me right. What you drink can make a big difference in your nerve health. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 9 drinks that can help heal your nerves and repair damage according to studies. These drinks are not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can nourish and restore your nervous system. So grab a glass and let's get started. Number 1. Green tea. You probably already know that green tea is good for you, but did you know that it can also help repair nerve damage? That's because green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate, which has been shown to protect and regenerate nerve cells in animal models of spinal cord injury. EGCG can also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are both factors that contribute to nerve damage. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that green tea extract improved nerve function and reduced neuropathic pain in diabetic mice. So next time you're feeling thirsty, brew yourself a cup of green tea and enjoy its soothing and healing benefits. Number 2. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is a spice that is widely used in Asian cuisine and medicine. It has a bright yellow color and a distinctive flavor. But more importantly, it has a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Curcumin can regulate the activity of nerve growth factors and promote nerve repair. Other than that, turmeric also has analgesic and antidepressant effects, which can help you cope with nerve pain and mood disorders. It can also cross the blood-brain barrier, which means it can reach the nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. One way to consume turmeric is to mix it with milk and honey and drink it as a warm beverage. This is a traditional remedy that has been used for centuries in India to treat various conditions. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are root vegetables that have a deep red color and a sweet and earthy taste. They are also high in nitrates, which are compounds that can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a gas that can dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow to the tissues, including the nerves. Nitric oxide can also stimulate nerve growth and repair by activating certain enzymes and molecules. Some studies have found that drinking beetroot juice for 14 days improved motor function and reduced muscle stiffness in people with Parkinson's disease, which is a disorder that affects the nerves in the brain. So if you want to improve your nerve function and mobility, drink some beetroot juice regularly. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger is another spice that has been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It contains gingerols and shogols, which are compounds that can block the activation of inflammatory pathways and receptors that are involved in nerve damage and pain. Ginger can also increase the production of endorphins, which are natural painkillers that can improve your mood and well-being. According to a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2016, ginger extract can improve nerve function and reduce pain in diabetic rats with neuropathy. Another study published in the Journal of Pain Research in 2019 found that ginger oil massage can reduce pain intensity and improve quality of life in patients with peripheral neuropathy. Ginger tea is a simple and refreshing way to consume ginger. It is made by boiling fresh or dried ginger slices in water for about 10 minutes. You can also add some lemon juice or honey to enhance the flavor and boost the immune system. Number 5. Bone broth. Bone broth is a liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for hours or days. It is rich in collagen, which is a protein that forms the structure of most tissues in the body, including the nerves. Collagen can provide support and strength to the nerve fibers and prevent them from breaking or tearing. Bone broth also contains glycine, an amino acid that can improve nerve function by regulating neurotransmitters and protecting nerve cells from damage. To make bone broth, you can use any bones you have on hand, such as chicken, beef or fish bones. You can also add some vegetables, herbs, salt, pepper, vinegar, or other seasonings to enhance the flavor and nutrition. Number 6. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are not only delicious, but they are also rich in anthocyanins, which are natural pigments that give them their blue color. Anthocyanins are also potent antioxidants that can protect nerve cells from damage and promote their growth and survival. In fact, a study found that drinking blueberry juice for 6 weeks improved memory and cognitive function in elderly people with mild cognitive impairment, which is a condition that can be caused by nerve damage in the brain. So if you want to boost your brain power and prevent nerve degeneration, drink some blueberry juice every day. Number 7. Coconut water. Coconut water is the clear liquid that is found inside young coconuts. It is refreshing and hydrating, but it also has some benefits for the nervous system. Coconut water contains electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are vital for nerve transmission and muscle contraction. Coconut water also contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and phenolic compounds, which can protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Other than that, coconut water can also enhance nerve regeneration by stimulating the production of nerve growth factor, which is a protein that promotes nerve growth and survival. You can drink coconut water as it is or mixed with other juices or smoothies. Number 8. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a flower that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for stress, anxiety, insomnia, and digestive problems. It contains apigenin, which is a flavonoid that can bind to the benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, which simply means that it can reduce nerve pain by blocking the transmission of pain signals to the brain. Chamomile also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can protect nerve cells from damage and enhance nerve regeneration. To prepare chamomile tea, just steep some dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 minutes. You can also add some honey or milk for taste. Number 9. Carrot juice. Carrot is a vegetable that is well known for its benefits for eye health, but did you know that it can also help your nerve health? Carrot contains beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A, which is very important for nerve growth and differentiation. Carrot also contains vitamin B6, which is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and myelin. To prepare carrot juice, just juice some fresh carrots and enjoy. You can also add some ginger or lemon for more flavor. So there you have it, 9 drinks that can repair nerve damage according to studies. But let me make one thing clear. These drinks are not magic potions that will instantly cure you of any nerve condition. They are also not substitutes for medical care or professional advice. They are simply supplements that can support your body's natural healing process and enhance your overall health. Also, please consult your doctor before trying any of these drinks, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions or allergies. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these drinks? Do you have any other drinks that you swear by for nerve health? Let us know in the comments below. We love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.